Asparagus, I love you, asparagus. When asparagus is in season, you need to eat it every day. It's non-negotiable. The season is very short, but that still means you need a few techniques up your sleeve so that you stay interested. My favorite, hands down, is charring it in a cast iron skillet. It's a really quick and easy way to make a super flavorful side dish in no time at all. This is how you do it. So the 12-inch skillet here is preheating. It's dry. I don't have any oil in it. I have 2 pounds of asparagus here that's cut on a pretty severe bias. You get these nice open pieces that are flat that are going to be able to get a really good char once it's in the oven. And we just add a little bit of olive oil, not even a tablespoon, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. Toss this up. Test a piece. If you get a nice sizzle, you're ready to go. That's pretty good. All right. One layer at a time, because to get a char, the steam that the asparagus releases has to have somewhere to go. Otherwise, you get steamed asparagus. Also delicious, but that's a different method. All right, so we're going to let this cook. We're not going to touch it at all for a few minutes. Then we're going to stir it up. A few more minutes, get a char on both sides. Repeat with this batch, and then we're going to build a lemon butter tarragon sauce in the serving bowl. Okay, it's worth being patient and getting plenty of char. Do you like this? Because then you get, here's a great piece. You get this flavor and it gets a little drier on the outside. It's great. So be patient, walk away from the really hot skillet, safety first, and let it really char. It only takes 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to be patient. Go do something else. Okay, while it's really hot, you're gonna throw in 2 tablespoons of butter and just stir this around. The heat from that hot asparagus is gonna melt in with the butter, and now you're gonna have smoky melted butter. It's pretty good. Stir it a little, and now add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I like to give it an extra crack of black pepper. Salt and pepper should be divorced, people. They are 2 separate things. Salt is a mineral, pepper is a spice. Treat them as such. So some fresh pepper at the end, you're really gonna get those aromas, some more flavor. And then a tablespoon of really finely diced tarragon. And that's it. 10 minutes total, because you had 2 batches. It's smoky on the outside, it's green and snappy on the inside. It's the best of both worlds. It's perfect. Make it this asparagus season.